The Navy Learning Support Center is a team that is geographically dispersed across Canada to meet the needs of training establishments in all regions. The team provides support in the form of instructional design, project management, multimedia development, and virtual classrooms. The team provides web-based courseware to support self-paced learning and provide the flexibility of anytime, anywhere training. Wherever possible, the student drives the learning. For example, the ship's diagram allows the student to select which deck to explore further and click to get more detailed information. Ship's diagrams are enriched with photos of equipment in place and basic information about the equipment. The student can explore the information more intuitively as opposed to having it all presented at once. Students are provided with opportunities to interact with the information and explore it as often as they need to in a way that helps them absorb and retain the information in a relevant way. For example, after reviewing the ship's layout and the location of escape hatches, students are provided with an opportunity to locate escape hatches with only partial visibility. Videos are embedded in the content to visually reinforce the information being presented. Students read the material, explore interactive content, and view animations that help them access the content in different ways. In a classroom environment, instructors are provided with customized animations of concepts that the instructor can step through at the pace of the class to illustrate what they are teaching. The Canadian Virtual Naval Fleet is an interactive training tool designed to allow sailors to familiarize themselves with Royal Canadian Navy ships, their equipment, and procedures. It provides an immersive 3D training environment on desktop and laptop computers, as well as portable devices such as tablets and smartphones. The Canadian Virtual Naval Fleet allows sailors to familiarize themselves with ship's layout by navigating through compartments and exploring them at will. A location label at the top of the screen lets them know where they are at all times. They can also call up a map view to help them understand their relative location. Learning activities are built in so they can practice locating specific items throughout the ship, such as firefighting and first aid equipment. Depending on their occupation, sailors can interact with valves, gauges, and panels in order to practice operation procedures related to their functions on board. The Canadian Virtual Naval Fleet application is modular so that new ships can be added to the environment and new training scenarios can be introduced. To learn more about the Canadian Virtual Naval Fleet, web-based courses, and other learning support assets, contact the Navy Learning Support Center.